For the average hill walker, Sharp Edge is considered one of the toughest routes in the whole of the Lake District. If you're wondering just how difficult this route is, come with us as we walk and film along the entire ridge from start to finish, as we make our way up Blencathra via the spectacular Sharp Edge. So we're just here at the start of a Sharp Edge leading up to Blencathra summit. It's one of the most popular walks in the Lake District when it comes to kind of tricky ridges anyway. It's quite a notorious route, probably one that strikes fear into the heart of some walkers, but for the most part it's fairly straightforward. So we're going to go over it today and have a look. I'm going to strap the camera to my rucksack just to make sure I've got my hands free. And we're just going to take a look just how difficult it is. So if you're thinking about doing this walk, you can really get an understanding of what it's like. So you can just see the edge up there, and actually somebody coming down it, which is even more difficult than going up it. So it shows it can be done in reverse as well, this route. But yeah, we'll have a look at the route, see what it's like, and give you a little bit of a talk through at the end, just what to expect if you're planning on doing Sharp Edge. So as you can see, it's not too difficult coming over the ridge. It didn't take us too long. Quite a bit of hands-on rock, but yeah, we managed. And you could probably see on the footage as well, we had a dog with us, so yeah, it can be done. So as long as you've got a good head for heights, you are sensible. There are dangers up here though. Just a few weeks ago, there was tragically a man lost his life, fell off the north side. Yeah, that's really sad, and there are a few fatalities here every couple of years, but so it's a place to be careful. But in good conditions like today, shouldn't really have too many problems. So thanks for watching, and yeah, hopefully we'll catch you on our next adventure.